Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Kia Sportage. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool to the touch. Always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate gear like safety glasses and gloves. Having your new oil and a fresh filter ready will streamline the entire process. Now let's get that old oil out. Carefully locate the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath to catch the used oil. Using your wrench, slowly loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Let it drain completely, which might take several minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is removed. With the old oil drained, it's time for the filter. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it about an additional 1/4 turn. Finally, pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the fill cap, typically around 5 quarts for a Kia Sportage. Almost done. Reinstall the drain plug securely, making sure there are no leaks. Start your engine and let it run for about 1 minute to circulate the new oil. Then, turn it off and wait a few minutes before checking the oil level with the dipstick. Add a little more oil if necessary to reach the full mark. Remember to properly dispose of your used engine oil at a local recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.